Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Game of Survival 3, a parody of Unturned. So I already have a character. Yeah. Okay, let's start playing. Which one? Oh crap! I do that. Better be paying me to put it on YouTube, dumbass. Atomic. Oh, what else did I do? Finally, we got a car. Yo, come on, get out the way. I'll shoot you. Oh, come on. Dang. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think there better be something there. Not really better, because I think I know this game. No, don't come into me. Can I shoot him? Why did he not? This is another series, by the way. Oh my gosh! I didn't even shoot him. Are these zombies allergic to freaking weapons? Allergic to my pistol. Okay, I know I have a sniper. This could be useful. Got him. Got him. Okay, let's see what the other zombies are. Oh my god. You can hear like the freaking noise. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's quick scope! Quick scope! Alright, let's try the quick scope. Okay, I know how to quick scope. Alright. I know how to quick scope. Oh my gosh, I know how to quick scope. I know how to quick scope. Woo! Yep. Okay, let's go quick scope some zombies. Ow. I'm a hard scope as well. Oh, I know how to quick scope him. It'd be really easy to quick scope him. Oh crap. I'm a hard scope him instead. You wanna jump? Okay, let's jump. Woo! Yep, he's allergic to my sniper now, right? Okay, let's just see the zombie jumping around. I gotta see the rain outside. Anyway, I just took out my stepdad's BB gun at the same time. Sometimes I get scared because I'm alone. Sometimes I'm alone right now. So sometimes I get scared that someone's in the house. So that's why I always keep my stepdad's BB gun out. It's frightening sometimes, even though in the rain at night, because I stay here till 10 o'clock at night. Come on, I just grabbed it. What the freak? Okay, that's why I'm being so quiet. Okay, I'm just gonna reload this for now. Just in case. I'm freaking scared. I do have my dog right next to me. So. Okay, shout out to Magic Rush. Yeah, I know you want a shout out. No one hardly downloads you. I know how it feels. No one hardly subscribes to me. No one hardly downloads you. Oh crap! No. I'm gonna end the series right now, though. Bye. Subscribe, favorite, and dots eat.